The last video I showed the inside of my apartment, and here's some apartments in the same complex I live in. This one's a 3-bedroom. It's going for 10 million VND a month. That's about $450 USD. It's a TV, air conditioner. There's 3 air conditioners. Oh, I'm sorry. There's 4 air conditioners in here. 1 in the living room and 1 in each bedroom. Quite a nice kitchen table. It's a kitchen, full-size refrigerator, gas stove, separate oven, lots of cabinet space. Looks like it has a ventilation fan for when you're cooking. Outside area is where the air conditioners are stored. You also have a washer here on the right and a faucet, so you can have some running water outside. Looks like it's a little cluttered, but if you were to rent it, they would clean it up, of course. When I rented my apartment, they didn't actually come in and clean it up really nice until I actually signed the rental agreement. Double sink, a large amount of cabinet space, a very large amount. Let's go back to the living room here. The couch is very nice. It's a sectional, it's leather. All the furniture comes with the place. It's pretty standard in Vietnam for the furniture to come with the apartment, which makes moving around a lot easier. The lease on this is 1 year, so if you were to rent it, you'd have to sign a 1-year lease. The deposit would be double a month's rent, so that's 20 million. I haven't had any issues so far in Vietnam with getting to my deposit back. This is the first bedroom. It's quite a large bedroom. It's the AC, the bed, some wardrobe space on the right. I don't know if this stuff comes with it, but it probably does. Bedding, pillows, sheets. Mine came with pillows, but it didn't come with the bedding. I had to provide my own. Second bedroom. It's like a little bit of a smaller room. AC, of course. Wardrobe space. It's going out of here. To the right is our master bedroom, and as soon as you walk in, we will go to the left, and you will see the master bedroom's bathroom. This bathroom has a bathtub, which you actually don't see very often in Vietnam. At least I haven't seen. I have a bathtub in my apartment too, but I haven't used it yet because I don't have a hot water heater. Step on in here, close the door. This is the wardrobe. Lots of shelf space. Here's a place to hang your clothes, and there's some drawers on the bottom too, but I didn't show them. The master bedroom is quite large. Comes with this chair and a bed. Nice big window. Here is the second apartment. Now this apartment is not for rent, it's actually for sale. It's going for 2.3 billion. I'm not sure if the furniture comes with it, but it might. There's the view outside the window. This is a 2-bedroom. There's 3 air conditioners, 1 in the living room and 1 in each bedroom. Looks like there's some cabinet space here and a spot to mount your television. All right, so we're gonna go into the kitchen. It's got a spot to put your fridge. Double sink. Go into the outside area. It's a pretty large balcony. You got a spot to put in your washer. All right, back through. We're gonna go down the hallway. We're gonna turn left, and you will see the first bedroom. It's a pretty large bedroom. Once again, I don't know if the furniture comes with it, but it might. Lots of space for your wardrobe. It comes with a bunch of free stickers on the door. I'm sure they come off easily. We're gonna turn right here, go into the bathroom. toilet, sink, shower. Then we're gonna come back out, turn right. It's the master bedroom. The master bedroom and these two bedrooms are very large. You got a lot of room for a desk. On the right, we're gonna have the bathroom. This one's gonna have a tub too. If anybody's interested in checking these or even more apartments out in this complex, I'm gonna put the contact information of this very nice lady that I know that she works at Kimsaland. Give her a call. She'll happily show you a bunch of places. She's very friendly. Thank you for watching.